Hey West Dragons and happy Friday. Miss Phillips here, and I just want to start by saying how much I miss you from the bottom of my heart. I miss seeing you in the hallways laughing with your friends. I miss seeing you by your lockers or in between classes, stopping by to say hi. I miss seeing you in math class or helping out with your teachers in math class. Please know that you are in my thoughts, and I'm sending you all a big hug right now. And I hope that you and your families are doing well. Just know that I'm thinking of you, and so are all the teachers here at Wes. I'm really excited to be talking to you today about a community service opportunity that you have through First Friday. And this is a unique opportunity as well because you're going to be helping someone else and help brighten their day. And it's going to give you a lot of joy in return as well, and it has the opportunity to build some nice new friendships. So if you are anything like me, you love getting mail, whether it's a birthday card from a relative or a package from Amazon that shows up on your doorstep that you've been waiting for. There's something really exciting about checking the mailbox and seeing a package or an envelope with your name on it. So think of that joy and excitement that you get when you check the mail, and know that you're going to be able to have the opportunity to bring that same joy and excitement to a kid your age. So today for our First Friday activity, I'm going to be talking to you about the Peaceful Pen Pals Project. The Peaceful Pen Pals Project is brought to us by Kids for Peace, and their focus is on empowering youth to create peace through hands-on service, global friendships, and thoughtful acts of kindness. This really resonated with me as I think about what we try to do at Wes all the time. Our motto that we hear so often is to be kind, and if that's something that sits nicely with you too, I'm hoping this will be a project that you'll want to dive into. So there are a few steps to get started for the Peaceful Pen Pals Project. You can go to kidsforpeaceglobal.org, and I'll attach that in the comments below this video. And you're going to see the Peaceful Pen Pals Project. You will need to sign up, and you might need a parent or guardian to help you with that step. And the whole goal of this is to bring joy to someone else that's your age. We know, especially right now, that there are a lot of families going through some very difficult times, including kids, whether that's their family struggling, whether that's the loss of a family member, whether that's missing friends or sports. This can really provide an opportunity to spark some joy and happiness. So the goal here is to spread some joy and make some new friends. So the Peaceful Pen Pals are inviting you to make new friends through some good old-fashioned letter writing. So you can sign up on the website to take part in the project, and then you get matched with another child similar to your age. So it's open, and it will connect you with a friend, a future friend somewhere in the United States. Here we go. What you can do, and they give you an example. They even provide you with an outline for a template. So if you're like, I don't know where to start with my letter, how to introduce myself, you can download and print this template to fill out for your new friend, telling them a little bit about you and asking questions. And it gives you a reminder for some of our younger dragons of how to address an envelope, and you will need a stamp to send your letter. If you feel like you don't need the template, feel free. You can just type up a letter and print it out, or you could handwrite it. But I would encourage you to be personal, share something about you, whether it's your interests, how you're feeling right now, but really put in some thought to make a connection with someone, because you never know what you and your pen pal might have in common. This is something that you might be interested in trying today or in the near future. I would love to hear if you are participating in the Pen Pals Project, so feel free to shoot me an email if you have any questions, or just to let me know that you have signed up to be a pen pal. Let this inspire you to do other acts of kindness through writing and through giving letters or cards. Something that my family has been doing is just making simple thank you notes to give to the delivery workers if we order takeout, or to leave for the post office when they drop off packages, or even making thank you cards for the concierge at my apartment building for staying open and making sure people get in and out of the building safely. So it doesn't have to start and stop here with the Pen Pal project. Look for opportunities within your home and our community to spread joy and gratitude wherever you can. I miss you all again, and I can't wait to see your smiling faces. And until then, know that I'm sending a big hug your way. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.